Present simple, simple action, work. Person, I, action, work. I work. You work. We work. They work. Simple action. To make a question with a simple action, work, use helper do. D. Ooh, do. Do. Helper to make a question with a simple action. For I, do I work? Question. You, do you work? Question. For we, do we work? Question for they. Do they work? To make a question, use do. Negative. With a simple action, use negative helper don't. Do not. Together, don't. D. O, do. N, don. T, don't. Negative. I don't work. Simple action, work. Person, you don't work. We don't work. They don't work. So remember, don't is your negative for I, you, we, and they. We use present simple for a routine actions. Every day, always, sometimes, usually. I work every day. They always work on Monday. Sometimes we work on Saturday. I usually work on Monday. Every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Every day. V. Ever. E. Every. Pronunciation, every. Repeat. So we see every. Not every. Not 3, 2. Every. Every day. I work every day. Do you work every day?
Yes, I work every day.
Do you work every day? Respond. Very good. Wake up. Whoa. A, way. K, wake. Up. Wake up. Wake up in the morning. I wake up. I always wake up at 7. Remember, at, connector for time. I always wake up at 7. Wake up. Repeat. Very good. Do you always wake up at 7?
Yes, I always wake up at 7.
Do you always wake up at 7? Respond. Very good. Have breakfast. Remember, have is the same as eat. Have breakfast. Do you have breakfast at 8 o'clock?
Yes, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Do you have breakfast at 8 o'clock? Respond. Very good. Clean the house. Do you usually clean the house on Saturday or Sunday?
I usually clean my house on Saturday.
Do you usually clean your house on Saturday or Sunday? Respond. Very good. I'm glad there's no English class on Saturday.
Me too. I usually wake up late, have coffee, and then I clean the house.